this is not a
W.
yes.
I didn't know it was actually enough.
If I have some. Here's these.
Hey, we found one. Oh, that should be fun. Stuck without kids. Really?
Ask guys. I don't know where they are. Oh.
They were in a binder.
Okay, that helps. They were in a binder. Are they in this binder?
They were
Yeah,
in,
they were in.
they were in like a purple binder.
It says Bill Cable on it.
There we go. Good job. There we go.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I couldn't have helped.
Thanks, guys. Okay, so chapter 8, lesson 3. Some of you.
Oh, actually, he said that. He said, maybe we need pins.
No, we just went through a really
Okay.
of finding Anderson pins.
We talked about what a trinomial was. What's a trinomial?
3.
It's got 3 terms. So this lesson is over multiplying binomials. What do you think a binomial is?
That's
Means
two.
two.
Right, binomial.
Are we gonna do unicorn decimals? Like unicorn?
Uni- Huh?
Are we gonna do like some like unicorns and they only have one?
No.
Like a
No,
unicorn?
a one term. Listen, guys. Something with one term is called a monomial.
I know
That sounds like some kind of snake.
Small.
I was thinking it sounded like
Guys,
a
that's a. It's only because they thought you had mono.
No, they didn't.
All right. So today we're going to be multiplying 2 terms. Not just any 2 terms. We're going to be multiplying 2 terms by another 2 terms. And they call it FOIL. They call it a FOIL method. But I'm going to teach you a method that is easier because y'all understand your distributive property, right?
Correct.
Yep. You take that term and you multiply it by everything inside that parentheses. Yeah. Really? You don't remember? Shut up, Will.
I really do not remember.
The distributive property. Okay. Well, let's look at what the
No, it's fine, I really do.
so multiplying binomials. And when you get in high school, they will probably talk to you about the FOIL method. It's the same thing. I just don't call it that because y'all understand the distributive property better. And we don't have time to learn a brand new concept. I just need you to get it. Okay? So, here we go. Example 1. Yes. And we're going to be multiplying these. We're going to take that first set of 2 terms and multiply by the second set.
I don't like that.
Now, it's not hard because you get to use the distributive property. But I have to use it twice because I have 2 terms. So, first, let's take the 2x and multiply it by both terms. Okay? So what is 2x times 3x? 6x to the second. Right. So 6x to the second.
My bad.
It's okay.
I was doing 2 plus 3.
It's okay. What is 2x
14.
times negative 7?
Oh, no.
Negative
No.
14.
So minus 14x. Okay, so I'm done with this term. I'm done with it. I used it on both over here. I already used it. Okay? Now I have to do the 4. And when I do the 4, instead of drawing it up there, because I've already drawn lines up there, I just draw it under here. So what is 4 times 3x? Okay, and they're positive, so plus 12x. And then 4 times a minus 7.
Negative 28.
Right, so minus 28. So what do you notice in this answer? What can I do?
Put them together.
I can put them together. I can put the middle ones together, right?
And you would
Almost, do you hear me? Almost always. like 95% of the time, you'll be able to put those middle terms together.
So, like, will they be in the middle every time?
Yep.
That makes it easier.
It does make it easier.
And what happens if they're not?
They will be.
Oh, they will?
If you do it this way, they will be.
If they're not, you have a problem. Better call you.
So now, when I put them together, negative 14 plus 12, what's that?
Negative two.
Right. So 6x squared minus 2x minus 28.
Why'd you draw it like that?
Because I was afraid it would skip if I did that. So, can I put any more of these together? No. So you're done. This,
You're 8 is before you're
it's because I was afraid it'd skip a little.
It's a snowman. Okay, now time for homework.
No. So,
It's a person.
Now. we need to try some of these by ourselves. This, guys,
Well, you should have said.
those of you who are in, because I've got quite a few of you who were right there on the proficient line last year, yeah? This will stick you over the top, okay? These right here. There was one year, my second year I
Is there
taught,
a lot of them?
Thank God.
there's a lot of these.
Because it's
And then we'll have to factor them. Now I'll show you how to take them apart later.
Two.
But anyway, that's not the point. We need to work on these.
The math ones
I
are
like
like, the test was taken in year been easy so far. I just feel like this one's gonna be hard.
This math test,
Yeah. I don't know why.
Because we take trials.
I promise I will give you everything you need to be proficient. Okay?
A really good pencil.
I will give you everything you need to be proficient. We actually will start practice after this. After this, we're gonna look at some more graphing stuff, and then you'll be ready to practice.
There's one thing I didn't understand. I don't remember what it was. I made 47 on that test.
Write this down.
I did. No, I didn't.
I know.
You said everything that we need to make proficient. Is that the answers included?
I wish I could give you the answers, but I can't.
You can on some of them. I never know.
No, I really did have a teacher one year, but I ain't gonna say it again.
I believe that. There are teachers who do not care. But
She gave like all of us, so it's fair.
all right. So try working this out. Try working this out
I both said he had three of them, but then I added one.
on the last one. Watch out because these are multiplying. You have to do both. You have to multiply first, and then we add, subtract,
Yeah,
combine like
I
terms.
added -3 and -5, and I have -8.
Miss Deer, I got this. It's
Good.
easy.
I'm glad. Now let's practice. Do not pay attention to the directions. It will tell you to use the distributive property, use a table, use the FOIL method.
Just do it like that.
Just do it like this.
Okay.
Ignore those directions because on the EOC in high school, they're not going to say use these specific methods. Okay?
As soon as I do it,
And if they do require you to use a certain method, they're going to teach you how to do it. Okay? I'm not going to do that. The EOC will not ask. It's a multiple choice test. Okay?
It's easy.
Yeah, thank God.
So remember how we talked about the substitution, elimination, graphing, things like that? They're not going to ask you to do one specific way. Okay?
I'm glad because if I don't know how to do something, I still have a chance of getting it right.
I think I do the substitution. No, the elimination. That was really
Big
Yeah, the
C.
elimination
Yeah.
easier.
I wouldn't do
Okay, so
graphics.
we are going to do,
Hey, I got a question. Like when we get done with the ELC, does the guy give us what we made right there?
no, but it should be in soon. I might, since y'all are taking it so early, I might know before you graduate.
It says basic and then
Logan.
on the low basic.
Hey, Logan.
Logan.
Well, yeah.
I'm trying Logan's brother.
So what grade do you have to get in order to not take it again?
The last person.
You never take it again, Cameron.
Oh, you don't? So it doesn't matter what you make of it?
Uh-uh.
Oh, thank God. I thought it did.
No.
The ELC?
I thought it mattered.
No, it does not matter.
Good question.